JSON simply is a lightweight format of storing data. It's like text file. It's simple text, but formatted in a way which makes it easy to read, send, understand, and communicate with. Look at this sample JSON. This is a JSON data. We have curly brackets, we have the name equal to value, then the age equal to value, and the city equal to value. This is simply a JSON file or JSON data or JSON text format. We use this a lot in programming and scripting. Now let's say someone gave you a JSON file like this one here. How you can read it easily in Python? Let's see. First step is we are going to import the JSON built-in module. You can see, remember modules, we have here JSON. It's built in inside Python. The second step is we are going to parse the data. We are going to use this JSON library to read this data. So I will say data is equal to JSON.loads and pass the JSON data as a parameter. Now this data hold the parsed version of our text or JSON data. Now I want to read the age. So I will declare a variable called age, and then we simply say data, we open square brackets and pass the name of the element we want to read. In our case, it's age. So now what will happen? We are going to read the age value from the JSON data and put inside the age variable. The same for the other values. We copy name here and we copy city. So in this way we are reading the values inside the JSON file. Let's print, for example, the name, and now let's run the code and you will see it prints Hassan, my name. If you change this to John, run again, it will print John. So we have like a file containing data in what we call a JSON format that we can send, receive, store our data in, and much more. You'll see the importance of JSON later on with advanced scripts.